taking God's blessings and Ganpati Bappa's name, let's start our today's video. Category number 1, sports. Your father, after a lot of matha phodi, promises you to gift iPhone. तेरी औकात है? नहीं. Oppo or an Vivo phone. Alright, he promises to gift you an Oppo or an Vivo phone if you score 65% marks in 10th boards. हाँ, औकात के हिसाब से पिताजी ने टारगेट दिया है. The results are out as usual. The site is crashing, same as when my brain crashes when I sit and solve mathematics. You got 66% marks. Your father, checking it more than 769 times, confirms it and saying finally ये Vivo छोड़ और 11th के वाइवा की तैयारी कर. Oppo Vivo चाहिए. You sit in a corner retaliating to him. I won't eat till you give me my phone. And he shows you this. Same situation has taken in the cricket world because of all the matches are postponed to 2021 and 2022 as promised by ICC that 2020 World Cup would take place in this year. Whatever happens at any cost. कट गया हमारा. खत्म. Bye bye. ICC World Cup schedule back-to-back 2 T20 World Cups, one on 14th November 2021 and second on 13th November 2022. One Day World Cup on October 23rd in India. 3 World Cups in 3 years. Wishing Indian team and Anu Malik best of luck. आग लगा दी. Moving forward on a second category, entertainment. The patheticness obligations of the movie in the directions are far away with mentalist, judgmentalist, torturist. Bechani. Bro, come on man, your words and your koi mil gaya jadoo language is very difficult to understand. Mr. Rajiv Masand. Bechani. I was watching your review lying on the bed in a corner of my house. My mom came in. I had to literally open the Tapatap website because if she would have seen me watching this, it is unexplainable. What would a middle class boy do with an average English speaking skills? Bechani. Mr. Rajiv Masand finally came out of his house and was snapped at the Bandra police station on 21st June 2020. I hope Sushant sir is in a better place and now he is free from all these mafias. Just hoping that he gets justice. And lastly, we went inside theaters as MS Dhoni fans and came out as Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput fans. Hashtag truth needs to come out, not this overacting. I love you, bro. Bechani. Moving forward on third category, YouTube. So finally, congratulations everyone. We were successfully fooled. कटवा लिया हमने. Enjoyed? बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के. Officially, these two admitted they are or were in a relationship. Congratulations to both of you. वैसे we would only care if we get to eat vada pav in your marriage. Mr. RJ Abhinav's washing machine. People won't forgive you.
I love this nehkar. वॉशिंग मशीन दिखा दी ना तूने अपनी औकात, कर दी ना इसको वीक. रेस्ट इन पीस माय फेवरेट नहकर.
Justice for half chaddi.
आप बिरयानी है.
Oh man, yesterday I took a huge risk, very huge. I clicked on Mr. Bhuvan Bam's latest released song named Heer Ranjha. Masoom. And let me tell you, the song was... What a song, man. Very deeply written, and shout out to the music composers and the animators. First time your song touched Mr. Bhuvan. No hit, but a huge fact.
Enjoyed?
Whenever my mood is third class, I watch Mr. Abhishek Upman News stand-up comedy and I am refreshed. But I request you bhai log, it's time. Take scissors in your hands and please cut his hairs. He is carrying such a huge ghosla with him.
बाल लंबे कर लो.
Moving forward on a fourth category, jobs and education. No one can remove a student in Punjab if he doesn't pay his school fees. Other actions can be taken, but you can't remove a child. अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो. More than 43% of children with disabilities planning to drop out of online classes due to difficulties. Be thankful to God for every human body part if you have it.
God is everywhere.
IIT Bombay, the batch from 1994, donates rupees 1.25 crores for online classes to students who can't buy laptops, data cards, and the necessary equipments. Hashtag great work. Candidates who are tested as COVID positive will still be allowed to appear for Karnataka CET examinations, but with complete precautions. Moving forward on the fifth category, gaming. Life has become worthless in lockdown and the only backbone left is internet, Jio, gaming, PUBG. We know gaming creators like Dynamo Mortal, Raju Chaiwala, Press Wale Bhaiya. I mean, what is this, man? Everyone is playing games on their second, third, fourth, fifth channel on YouTube. Now, in few days, Hindustani Bhau is all set to open Bhau Gaming.
समझा नहीं
But you will be shocked after hearing that YouTube or Facebook are not the platforms with highest number of creators and viewers for gaming. According to International Streaming Arsenal report, after this lockdown, Facebook Gaming has recorded 29.1 crore minutes of watch time. Then comes YouTube, 46.1 crore minutes of watch time, and number one position is Twitch with 165 crore minutes of watch time. Crazy by low, crazy. People are so mad to play, but I don't get the point. What is there so much that people watch them? Moving forward on sixth category, mobiles and vehicles. Yeah, once again, Samsung is all set to launch their new phone, Samsung Galaxy M31s. And you are going to fly in the air after listening its price. Only
20,000 rupees.
Samsung buy in this pandemic of Corona Tai, middle class people like me are fighting for bread, meal, oil. To recharge our phone has become the most expensive thing. And only 20,000 rupees.
अब इंसान है
Abe.
पैसे ही तो सारी प्रॉब्लम है
What should I do of this RAM, ROM, MDH, I mean MAH battery? Now in this article, these guys have written here, best for photography. Yes, I am very eager to take photo like this. Obviously, even I am suffering from this Balamukt Abhiyan.
बाल लंबे
I am jealous of you rich people. Go, just go and buy this for only. Time for our international news. 25 Taliban fighters including Pakistani nationals killed by security forces in Kandahar, Afghanistan. 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck the Alaska Peninsula. Positive news or achievements for India today. Bengaluru, Wasim Zubair takes responsibility to bury dead COVID-19 patients because no one is ready to even come close of these bodies. A Malayali man, Mr. Biju Kandalo, rescued a woman and her 2 children who were caught in a building fire venue, Croatia. Thanks for giving your valuable time to Mr. Mikaboshi. Keep your blessing hands on Mr. Mikaboshi. Bye bye. Till the next video.